people who have over-processed nails. Now, I know you all know what I'm talking about. These are women who are enjoying the gels, the acrylics. I see tremendous damage from this every day in my practice, but women are still going to want to enjoy these things. And so what they need to start doing is treating the nail. Just like we take good care of our skin, we have to treat the nails, and the nail renewal system is amazing for all of that gel and acrylic damage. This is a 47-year-old woman. She just took off her gels. Her nails are dry, they're dehydrated, the cuticles are parched, and what so many women are stuck in this camouflage cycle where they don't know what to do, so they immediately cover those nails back up. What you need to do is treat. And look at this after. This is an immediate result after just one treatment. It looks like she's wearing a clear coat of polish, but she's not. This is not a polish. It never has to be removed. It's never gonna chip. It's all natural. The ingredients are incredible. I'm a dermatologist, and so for me, using the highest quality ingredients is a huge priority. We're talking essential oils. The treatment step has our proprietary complex, phytocrystal complex. You're never going to find a system like this anywhere else.